What if I told you that even the worst neighborhood in America could be made completely safe? How do I know this? Because it's happening right now in every country in the world but this one. It is great to see American machines helping to promote peace abroad. So then tell me, why can't we use these machines here at home? Why is America so robophobic?
We need to give Americans a product they can love. Figure they can rally behind.
We can't put a machine on the street.
Forget machines. They want a product with a conscience. Something that knows what it feels like to be human. Give your mom a kiss.
Hi, baby.
Too slow, boy. We're gonna put a man inside a machine.
Time to wake him up.
Make him more tactical. Let's go with black.
Quality Control, EM 208 versus Tin Man.
Wow.
We are going to make a lot of money.
He's coming.
Gonna play good cop, bad cop?
Bad cop, Robocop.
He's undoing what we did to him.
Shut him down!
Thank you for your cooperation.